this is Manu from All and About, and today we are at Doha Festival City to show you an exciting food campaign event which is running until the 25th of July. I'm here at the main desk. If you need any information about the event, you just come here. And now I give you a tour of how you can win amazing prizes. To register, scan the QR code available across the mall or click the link mentioned in the description, which will open the WhatsApp account of Doha Festival City. I just had to enter a few more private details, but look what I've got now, my digital passport. So now let's go to our Turkish friends at Raffle Win together and get my first stamp. So I just uploaded my first receipt on the account. Woo! And look, here's my first stamp. So next stop, Leto Cafe, my favorite place to get a nice piece of cake. Let's go. I will now order my favorite piece. Ooh, there it is. Thank you very much. All right, here's the second receipt. Check. Let's upload it. And here we go, stamp number 2. Each 6 stamps or every 300 Qatar riyal spent earn you a digital raffle ticket. Still need 4 more stamps to get my raffle ticket. And now you guys need to get your stamps to win prizes like trips to Turkey, France, Italy, England, USA and this beautiful Volvo. Hurry up, it's only available till the 25th of July.